The new iPhone will inherit previous innovations. In 2020, the iPhone is likely to inherit the new features of the iPhone 11 and 11 Pro. This means that they are likely to have an iPhone 11 Pro 3-chamber system and night mode, among other options. Budget iPhone. This information does not directly relate to the iPhone 12, but is related to Apple's new product next year. It is expected that the company intends to release the budget smartphone iPhone SE2 in March next year. This gadget will be the successor of the iPhone SE and will cost the buyer no more than $399 for the base model. The device is likely to be similar to the iPhone 8. It is also expected that the iPhone SE2 will have a mechanical Touch ID button, which is not present in modern iPhones. The SE2 will have only one rear camera as well as an LG LCD display. The amount of RAM will be 3 GB and the internal memory, 64 GB or 128 GB. The basis of the iPhone SE2 will be the A13 processor, which is also installed in the iPhone 11 lineup. This will give users an average price gadget, but with improved performance. As reported, Apple expects to release at least 100 million pieces of its iPhone with 5G support.